Alright. Get all the cobwebs out of here. Come on. Mechanical fuel pump's trying to pump all the fuel. Come on. Pump. Choke out. Well, she's not going to do it. We'll go ahead and put that electric fuel pump in there and see if that doesn't fix this. Alright. Cold start. Probably, a couple of months now. At least 4 months. Let's see what she does. Brownie points goes to those who figure out what I forgot to connect up there. Well, there she goes. Not running quite. My tachometer's not working. It holds good air pressure. Holy crap. She didn't lose anything. That's 144,533 miles. I got this bus when it had 136 on it. Let's see. Fuel tank shows full. That's not right. Almost 80 pounds of oil pressure. Engine's starting to warm up. Got it above 100. And we're charging. Alright. I'm going to figure out why that's not working. Let's push this choke back in. There's my overspeed alarm again. Oh. The governor's not working. Shouldn't be allowed to over rev it like that. Now push the choke back in. See if she'll stay running. Come on. Well, that ain't no good. I think I need to adjust the idle screw. Let's check and see if she's leaking. No, I don't see any gas on that side. Let's check the other side here. I smell burnt oil. That's to be expected. And she's not leaking on this side. Awesome. I did a good job. Yay! Now, I don't know if you can see it. That little screw right there, I need to adjust that little sucker. Oh, that's hot already. Well, she's running. Let's see if she'll stay running when I put her in drive. Idle's still a little high, but She's running. I'm leaving her alone. She's probably running about 1,000 RPMs right now. Oh, good. Still running. All right. Reverse, maybe? Oh, hey, don't do that. Well, I guess one way to find out if she's going to run. Got plenty of air pressure. Now, I've bled the pressure down to about 90. You hear the air compressor come on. You can actually hear it on a gasoline bus. You can't hear it on a diesel. What if my brakes are frozen? Oh, maybe a little bit. Ah! That didn't take long. Alright, one of you geniuses out there, figure this out for me. It's 100 degrees outside and I gotta pull the choke out to keep it running. Push the choke all the way back in. And it's gonna make a liar out of me now. Oh, I need to go adjust that mirror. Alright, let's... see. That's better. Well, let's see what she does when I put her in drive. Yep. That's too fast. Come on. Oop, we're moving. Oh. Don't hit the trees.